Welcome everybody. Today we've got Snow Job, Arctic Trooper. I do still have his backpack. He came with skis and 2 ski poles as well on. I think he had like sort of a generic rifle. He didn't really have the nothing special. I think it was it looks, if memory serves me correct, it looks similar to the one from the cartoons, just sort of the long standard G.I. Joe rifle. He's a little dingy. I need to give him a bath, but he's still got snow goggles. You can't really see his face. I'm pretty sure, it seems like he was one of the first 2nd gen ones that I had. He had a swivel arm battle grip. His knee's a little weak, but otherwise you got a couple of pouches on the side there. No real details on the back. Just this straps for his going over for his backpack in theory. Sidearm, another pouch. Some pouch on the inside of his legs too. Snow, like I say, pretty. A little bit of fading. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there's a little bit of yellowing on this part. But his forearms are pretty straight. That's pretty white. I could probably replace his O-ring, but it's not terrible. It's not super loose. I probably will before I store him finally. But I think he'll stand up on his own. He did earlier. Yeah. So he's still got enough tension there to stay upright. But anyway, I'll say, since I don't have any of his other accessories that I know of, I guess I'll call it quits right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.